If you're seeing Epic Games error code 502, also known as bad gateway, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can help get the Epic Games launcher working again. This error is often temporary, and in many cases it's caused by cache issues, a network glitch, routing problems, or even Epic's servers being down. So before you assume something is broken on your PC, try these simple steps first. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and let's get straight into it. First, let's start with the easiest fix, restarting the Epic Games launcher. Go down to your system tray, find the Epic Games icon, and fully close it. Don't just minimize it. Make sure it's actually shut down. Wait a few seconds, then open the launcher again and try signing in or loading the store one more time. Sometimes a fresh restart is enough to clear a temporary connection issue. If that doesn't work, the next step is to clear the web cache. This is one of the most common fixes for launcher problems because Epic Games stores browser-style data that can become corrupted. To do this, open File Explorer and type %local app data % into the address bar, then press enter. Inside that folder, look for Epic Games Launcher, then open Saved. In that folder, you should see a webcache folder. Delete the webcache folder completely. If you see multiple webcache folders, remove those as well. Don't worry, the launcher will rebuild them automatically the next time you open it. After clearing the cache, reopen the Epic Games launcher and test it again. If the issue is still there, restart your internet connection next, power off your modem and router, wait about 30 seconds, then turn them back on. This helps refresh your network path and can fix connection problems that trigger error 502. Once your internet is back online, launch Epic Games again and check whether the error is gone. Another helpful step is to use a VPN. Sometimes Epic Games error 502 happens because of routing issues or IP-based blocks between your network and Epic services. Turning a VPN on can reroute your connection and may allow the launcher to load properly. If you already use a VPN, try switching it off and testing again as well. The goal is to see whether a different route to the Epic servers fixes the problem. You should also check Epic Games server status. In many cases, this error is not caused by your device at all. It can simply mean Epic is having a temporary outage or maintenance issue. If the servers are down, there's nothing you need to repair on your PC. Just wait until Epic restores service and try again later. That's why it's always smart to check the server status before spending too much time troubleshooting. So to recap, if you want to fix Epic Games error code 502, start by fully restarting the launcher, then clear the web cache, restart your network equipment, test with a VPN, and check whether Epic's servers are down. Those are the most effective steps for this problem, and they solve it for a lot of users. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more gaming and PC troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Epic Games error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.